Hey YouTubers, 95 speed GTA. I got a question for any of you guys out there that may know what this is. This is a 98 Grand Caravan with a 3.3 liter V6. I noticed right by the breather, and take it off, inside the engine makes a little sound, and if anybody could tell me what it is, I'd appreciate it. You hear that little click sound? Here. It's like an inner valve in the engine, and it's coming from the engine, but it gets better. Watch this. Got an oil leak really bad. So, if anybody could tell me what that is, because I have absolutely no idea what it could be, I'd appreciate it. Thank you guys. YouTubers, this is 95 Speed GTA. Over and out.